Hello and welcome to our channel SS Overlanding. Here we have a short overview of how we built our overlanding setup for our pickup truck. This is our first build and we wanted to keep it as simple as possible. Have a look at what we did. So the back of the STEED, all empty, ready for us to start our designing. We decided to keep the fiberglass canopy and therefore we had to make an external support frame for the tent. With the tent weighing approximately 50 kilos plus 2 people and a dog, we needed this to protect the canopy. We made a plywood frame which would hold the various storage boxes. To keep things simple, so we put in a metal runner for a slide out shelf. Can you guess what these are for? We had to make stoppers for the stove, the feet, to stop them sliding around on the shelf. So the stove in its place and easy to access on its slide out shelf. This is our fridge tray and we've attached some runners to make easy access for the fridge. So here's the setup with the drawers in place and the stove on its shelf, and we're just thinking about the control panel now for the electrics. Here's Scott doing the electrics, all wired up to the control panel and using inline fused wiring. We installed the drawer system in place in the back of the pickup. Wiring in the fridge, tricky access, but we managed to get everything connected up. Scott looking very pleased with the setup, all looking good. We were really lucky to find this Easy On rooftop tent on Gumtree, so we put it on and tested out everything to make sure it all worked fine. Yes, the tent is really well made, really robust fabric and very spacious inside. We were really pleased we found it online. So that's the overview of how we made our rig. The whole thing is simple, budget friendly, very functional and comfortable. It has taken a lot of DIY effort, but well worth it in the end. We're really pleased with the outcome. Now it's ready to roll.